Well, a 2007 Chevrolet Corvette with just a little over 33,000 miles. It's going to be a great deal for you right here at buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. This is a beautiful car, Victory Red on the exterior. It has that Cashmere interior and a matching Cashmere convertible top that just looks great. Under the hood, you'll find 400 horsepower LS2 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, the factory features on this car include the $5,540 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always tell you this includes the power top, heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, auto-dimming mirrors, universal garage door transmitter, dual power heated sports seats with airbags, and this has that fantastic Bose stereo system with in-dash CD changer, and it also has the steering wheel controls. The car sports OnStar chrome wheels, dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, keyless entry and start, fog lamps, and of course everything on this car is power. Has ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, this car comes with a clean Carfax, and as we mentioned, it's loaded with options. This 2007 Corvette Convertible shows just 33,610 miles, and it's in good condition. The car's paint is very good. You'll see a great shine. The convertible top is in excellent condition, and those factory chrome wheels are in place and look great. The tires, well, the tires, they are brand new. So the interior of this 2007 Corvette Convertible shows very good factory leather seats, good condition center console, good door panels and steering wheel, and the car is completely factory stock. This is an absolutely fantastic Corvette. If you'd like to know more about this or any one of the almost 100 Corvettes we always keep in stock here at buyavet.net, give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button, and you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We ship nationwide, we ship worldwide, and in fact, we make buying online something you can do with ease and with confidence. Give us a call, buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia.